from you now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a while. Not really. I uploaded 2 videos last week, but I haven't sat down and talked to you. So today is a hair tutorial. I haven't done one in a long time and I miss it. So yeah, this is the hairstyle. It's 2 braids and a little swoop and a puff. So if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, keep on watching. We're gonna get straight into it. Warning, what you're about to see is a Carla who has been in the house all day, hasn't gone anywhere, so beware, she's coming. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't had a sit down video with just me in a while. First of all, yes, I know I look a mess. My hair is a mess. It's okay. This is what this video is for. And yeah, but let's just get straight into the hairstyle. So I had these buns in for like 3 days. I promised they were cute in the beginning. Then I got tired of wrapping my hair and I went to sleep last night and I woke up and this is what it looked like. And I was okay with that. So I'm on spring break. My school is only giving us like, how much days we get? Technically it's 3 days, but it's the weekend. Like, we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. What am I gonna do with that? But yeah, so I'm just gonna take out this hairstyle. And you guys already know the drill. Like, once the hairstyle is out, I'm just gonna detangle and then we can get on with the actual hairstyle. So after I look like I've been struck by lightning, I still have these straight pieces in my hair, like right here and stuff, and I'm about to cut them off. Like, I don't know what we holding on for. But yeah, so after brushing my hair out, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna take my tail comb and I'm just gonna, first you have to make the part where you want the little swoop action to happen. So I'm going to and it is, so I'm just gonna literally take it. I don't want it to get tangled because I just brushed out on my hair, so I'm gonna brush it again. And I'm just gonna twist it to get it out the way. And put it in a little bantu knot. Boop. Okay, so while that's going on, and since we have our part, you're gonna start on the braids on this side. Honestly, there's 2 ways you can do this hairstyle. You can either do the braids if you know how to cornrow, or you can do the rubber band to rubber band method. I can do a separate video on the rubber band to rubber band method because I don't have rubber bands with me. So basically what you're gonna start with is just a simple like straight part going straight back like this, and you just can stop it wherever you want. I just let it cut through, and then after you have that part, and I just made the part straighter, and I just feel to make sure that it's like equal, like that. And then what I'm going to do is just take it and just like section this part off just to get it out my way. just like that, nothing special. Then I'm gonna take the brush again, and brush it out again. And then you just, why does my hair look red? Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna braid straight back. Hairstyle just like that, and then you can stop. And then you're just gonna do that one more time, doing the same exact thing. So now that the braids are done, you know, they don't have to be perfect, but you just keep redoing them to your liking. And I'm only gonna do 2 because that's the, you know, desired amount I want, so that when I do it, it's gonna pull up like this. So yeah, now that you're done that, what you're gonna do is start preparing your hair to be put up. And if you have hair like mine, then you know that she's a struggle. She shrinks, as you can see. I just wet it and it shrunk like so much. So I just take my hard brush and then I start brushing the hair in the direction I'm gonna want it to go later. So after that, I'll really look crazy this whole video. It's okay. I'm gonna take some Eco. Unfortunately, the green one has finish that's near and dear to my heart, so I have to use the one my mom uses, and she uses the Eco Style Sport. It says Sport, and it's like shimmery. Honestly, I'm just gonna be honest real quick. It looks like this. It has like shimmer in it, but you can't see it in your hair, but it's not the point. It smells really good and all that, but she just doesn't add up to the green one. Like, the green one really holds my hair. This one feels like water on my hair, but whatever. I just take this much. I take a lot. Like, I'm putting more in my hand as I'm speaking, so then I just put it all around my hair. The hard bristle brush. She's ready to come and slay your life. So I just start over here, like this little section under the braids that we didn't braid, and then I start there. You're going good. You're doing good. So after you slick that up, you just want to hold it really tight. Make sure it's up there. You want it to be high. Just like this. And then I'm going to take my headband, hair tie, whatever you call it, and make sure it is tight. Like, this puff ain't going nowhere. She ain't seeing nobody. And there. Period. You got the braids. You got the slickage. Everything is there. So next thing you're gonna work on is the bang part. So you can take it down. we're working on her. Anyway, so after you take it down, you just want to brush it again, because this is the whole thing. No knots will equal the like most sleek style. So after you do it like that, after you do this, you want to grab your gel. It does not hold with this gel, so I'm gonna stock up on my green eco very soon. So then I like to get like the puff out the way, because I just need it out the way. And then I start going down, pressing really hard. And then I start to wrap. So immediately after you finish this bang, you want to wrap your hair like no questions asked. You must wrap, especially if you have my hair type. You do not want this to lift at all, and the more time it's not wrapped, the faster it's going to start lifting. So you want to wrap it and keep it wrapped for a few minutes as the gel dries. I'm just going to keep it wrapped, and I'm going to come back after a few minutes when the gel is dry. Now that that's done, you can like I just twisted this to get it out my way, but since I'm done, I can take it out again. And what I'm going to do is basically define the curls of my puff. So what I'm going to do is get the spray bottle, trusty spray bottle, and just spray my hair. So I'm just going to use three, but so first thing I'm going to take is this Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. And I just take this much. Next thing I use is this As I Am curling jelly. It's a coil and curl definer, so a little goes a long way. So I just the same thing that I was doing with the other one, but less like harsh, because I don't know, Cantu takes a while to absorb in my hair, but As I Am just absorbs immediately. The last product I use is a little bit of Eco, and when I say little, I actually mean it this time, because I don't like it to be crunchy, so I take like this much. Normally it would be my green one, but it's okay. I just take that much, and I just hit it, like I don't even like brush it in. And I'm just gonna keep it like this. And for this video, I'm going to do creative edges. You guys already know what time it is, so we're gonna get closer so that I can really do what I have to do. Adjusted the camera so that you guys could see what I was doing, and I'm starting off with just applying the gel straight there, just like putting it right there, because there's nothing to like wait for. And I'm not gonna talk during this part because, you know, I need to concentrate. I'm always messing up when I'm filming, so. Now that I am finished with my edges, I'm going to take 2 gold bobby pins. They're not that like gold per se, but they're not my hair color, so I'm just gonna take them and make an X. that is. And yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I actually don't think you can comment on my videos anymore because of the whole YouTube updating their policy. Also, I want to thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It may not, what am I saying? It may not be big to some, but it's really huge for me, especially being a small creator and having only started this channel 5 months ago. So thank you. And also guys, if you can comment, leave video suggestions, reaction suggestions, anything you want to see. I'll start integrating K-pop more into this channel, so since it seems to be doing pretty well and people actually want to see that, so every other video K-pop and every other video like my normal content. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.